Hi everyone, today we're going to be walking through the StockAlgos Congress tool. Essentially what this tool allows you to do, it gives you a broad swept overview of all the trades occurring by the House of Representatives and Senate. And what it does is it aggregates that information into a nice table and displays, for example, who did the purchasing, so who purchased what stock, what their name was, the number of transactions that have occurred within that said stock, and the number of unique participants accounting for these transactions, whether or not they are a House of Representatives or part of the Senate, the date the transaction occurred, the type of transaction, whether it was a purchase or a sale, and the approximate cost, so how large an order they actually placed. Now, based off of our data source, we don't actually get the exact number, so the size of the trade, but it does approximately ballpark it. Moving over to the left-hand side, we can see that we can search for a specific stock and like the Congress that has partaken in that stock. If I went and search for AAPL, so Apple, we can see there's quite a large list. And if we scroll down, we can group data. So what this group data does is it'll amalgamate all of that information into one nice format. So now you still see Apple, pretty much the same information, gives you a broad stroke overview of the date range that the transactions occurred, the different price ranges that the Congress traded at. And then if we expand, we pretty much see the individual data. So it tells you who purchased, the date of the purchase, their relationship, so whether they're, like I said, Senate or a representative, the transaction type, and the approximate cost. We can also filter by purchase transactions. So we can see that this number has gone down now. So 36 transactions have occurred by 5 different participants. We can sort by, and this sort won't apply well if you've listed a stock here, but you can sort by highest number of transactions. And we can see that when we have the group data, it's showing that this stock called Bros had 60 transactions occurring by one participant. If we went to highest number of participants, we can see that Apple has had 5 different participants, so Visa has had 5, and etc. We can also specify a date range for which we would like to analyze this Congress-based trading data for. You could select, last month, and you will see those numbers dropped when it said, 5 before, now it's stating 3. So these are the most recent transactions that have occurred. And then once you've identified a trading strategy that you would like to pursue based off of Congress data, you can go ahead and click Create a Signal. And what this will do is basically, once you've specified the same parameters that you look for when you come to the site, for example, purchase transactions, the most number of transactions, or say the most value, so the largest transactions that have actually occurred. This will look at the previous 5 days from whatever day. So this is a daily email. The signal is a daily email. And as you move forward in time, it will always reference the previous 5 days and whatever number you specify here. So this way, it'll show you the 5 best or the 5 highest value purchased stocks within the previous 5 days of whenever you're getting the email. And then once you've kind of set it up and you're ready to save, you can give your signal a name. So largest purchase transactions by Congress. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click create. It'll basically tell you that you've set up a daily email. Once you're happy, that's pretty much it. If you ever want to come back in the future, you can click Manage Signals, edit and delete the signals that you've already made. And yeah, that's the Congress tool. If you ever need more information, feel free to click the Info tab at the top. It'll walk through a lot of what was discussed in this video, There'll be a description, how to use section, and an additional help link on congressional insider trading information. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.